Setting up a high-converting squeeze page. It's no secret that your website visitors got there because they are interested in what you have to say. Mind you, they're not interested in your website just yet. They are interested in the stuff that they can find there. Not all of them will convert into recurring visitors just because they made it there, and a large number of them will ignore your subscribe to our newsletter button, no matter where it is located. In our last video, we talked about how lead magnets are a great way to entice visitors into converting to subscribers, and then to customers. Nevertheless, we were saving this one for last, the squeeze page. The squeeze page is, to put it simply, a page that you'll use to capture your leads and their email addresses. Landing pages are used as opt-ins to promote your lead magnets. They can be designed as forms using your content management system or email marketing tool of choice. However, there is a truth about squeeze pages that is often hard to swallow. Squeeze pages are becoming less effective when it comes to capturing leads. We're talking about traditional squeeze pages, that is. Before this video, you were used to one type of squeeze page, one that offered an ebook in a desperate attempt to bribe a customer into giving away their email address. These types of squeeze pages have been done to death, and the internet users of today know better. That is why we are going to show you how to create actionable, high-converting squeeze pages. Now, we want to clarify that you won't make a totally different type of squeeze page, because after all, you don't need to fix what is not broken. What you'll learn instead is to make actionable squeeze pages with social value. Write actionable headlines. The first thing that you have to do to create an actionable squeeze page is to write actionable headlines. Pick your landing page's theme and write a headline that describes a specific action. Instead of "Get our free report," you have to write something along the lines of "Learn how to turn your affiliate business into a six-figure job with these 5 strategies." Add social features to your squeeze page. Simply adding social sharing buttons to your squeeze page can increase your conversions by up to 20%. Add a comment section for social proof if your form editor allows it. Taking those 2 steps into account, remember to keep the structure of your squeeze page designed like this: 1. Headline, 2. Subheadline, 3. Call to action, 4. A video or image, and 5. Opt-in. Now that you know the most effective way to craft a squeeze page, we are going to show you how to use MailZingo, a self-hosted email marketing system, and Aweber, a traditional email marketing service, to design high-converting squeeze pages. Setting up a high-converting squeeze page on MailZingo. Start on your MailZingo account and go to the Forms tab on the left side menu bar. Then click on the Create Forms button. Now enter a name for your form and select which campaigns your landing page will target. Then hit Next. Select an attractive template from the many offered by MailZingo by clicking on the Select Template button below each one. You'll be taken to the Forms editor. There, you'll be able to customize your thank you and already subscribed pages as default or as custom URLs. You'll also be able to select whether to send a confirmation email to your subscribers with the click of a button. We recommend you turn this option to On. Then you'll be able to modify the text on the template to insert your heading, your subheading, your social buttons as text, to insert a custom background image, and to add fields to your opt-in. Scroll down and click on Publish. Once you are done customizing your squeeze page, copy the JavaScript code that will appear. Setting up a high-converting squeeze page on Aweber. Log into your Aweber account and go to Sign Up Forms on the top menu bar. Click on the Create Sign Up Form button and select Sign Up Form from the drop-down menu that will appear. You'll be taken to the Sign Up Form editor. You'll be presented with a standard sign-up form, but you'll be able to pick a template for your form from the selections listed. Pick one, select a color scheme, and hit Load Template. Now you'll be able to use the Edit Header to insert your headline, to edit your opt-in fields, and to edit the footer. When you are finished here, scroll down and click on Go to Step 2. There, you'll have to name your form and select whether to use a basic or custom URL for your thank you and already subscribed pages. Now, click on Save Your Form and on Go to Step 3. Now you have to select how to publish your form. You can select I will install my form to insert it yourself on your site. You can select My Web Designer will install my form if you want to email your form's code to your website admin, or you can select Have Aweber host my form to simply host your squeeze page on Aweber's servers and use their URL. For this particular example, select I will install my form and copy the JavaScript code shown in the field below. How can you insert your squeeze page in your website or blog? Whether you use MailZingo or Aweber to create your squeeze page, simply paste the JavaScript code in your website's widget code. This will of course depend on your content management system. If you're using WordPress, you'll have to start on your dashboard and go to Appearance. Then click on Widgets. Scroll down and select Text. Select Sidebar as your placement and click on Add Widget. In Title, enter the text that you want to use to make it visible on your website. Now, paste your form's JavaScript code in the Content field, click on Save, and then on Close. The ideal placement for this particular opt-in form is at the top right sidebar. So click over the text widget, hold the click with your left mouse button, and grab it to place it above your first sidebar widget, and it will save automatically. Now you have a high-converting squeeze page to capture your leads. Sending the right type of traffic to your squeeze page. You created an amazing squeeze page, and you have included an awesome lead magnet to promote on it. It looks juicy, and it has been great so far. You told everyone about it, and you promoted it heavily on your website. It did very well in the beginning, but right now it is hardly pulling any traffic, and you're not getting any subscribers. This scenario is more common than it sounds, and that is exactly what happens when you are not attracting the right type of traffic to your squeeze page. No matter how well designed your squeeze page is, no matter how convincing its headline is, or how great a freebie you are offering, it will do nothing for you and your business if people are not finding it. You may have thought about using paid advertising to attract people and get them to join your subscriber list, but doing so goes a bit against your goal here. We are not saying that there is no place for paid advertising, but there are other methods that will help you effectively attract qualifying leads, both free and paid. Traffic from social media engagement. Social media is one of the greatest sources of traffic for anything on the internet, mainly because that's where most of your audience is going to hang out. Now, you have to consider that different social networks are used by different types of people, and you should know where your audience is. Start by taking a look at what channels your audience is spending time on, be it Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, and others. Now, create a company profile for your business in the social media of your audience's choice. This will help you increase brand awareness and enhance your relationships with customers. Once you have established a presence in social media, you have to learn how to properly promote your content to get people to your squeeze page and sign up. Use the following principles and you'll see your incoming traffic explode. Automate your blog posts and website updates to be uploaded to your social media channels when they go live, and make sure to include your squeeze page in the form of a splash page in there. Post image articles and videos as how-to resources, and include a call to action button that leads to your squeeze page. This is a great strategy because these types of posts are considered relevant by social media algorithms and can drive a great deal of traffic to your landing pages. Traffic from solo ads. This strategy is not exactly free, but it is not as costly as paid advertising and is much more effective for getting truly qualified leads to subscribe to your list through your squeeze page. Solo ads is a way of promoting your content by means of third-party subscriber lists. This basically means that your squeeze page will be sent to people that are subscribed to a third-party subscriber list. It works in a similar fashion to paid advertising in that you have to pay a royalty to the list owners in order for them to email your content to their subscribers. The great advantage of doing this is that your squeeze page will be emailed to a good number of qualifying leads, people who are already interested in what you have to offer, and are aware that they are being emailed your squeeze page for promotional purposes. Traffic from email marketing optimization. You might think that once your emails go through, they are done with their job, or that emails are a one-way tool that should be used for specific types of communication only. The truth is that you can get more traffic by optimizing your emails. There are two ways to optimize your emails to get more traffic to your squeeze page. The first way is by including social sharing and forwarding buttons on your newsletters. Remember, this is still content for your audience, and you have to treat them much like you would treat a post on your website. This will encourage people to share or forward a piece of content of their liking, and people that receive the content will be shown your squeeze page because you will feature it on each page of your blog or website. Include a text URL leading to your squeeze page on your support emails. This means that people contacting you on email with inquiries will have the option to opt in through a call to action included as a signature in all your support emails. Welcome to Section 4 of our Email Marketing 2.0 video training, Advanced Email Marketing Strategies. In this section, we'll talk about Inbox Delivery Secrets Exposed, Proven Tricks for Growing Your Subscribers List Quickly, Writing Results-Oriented Newsletters and Autoresponders, Simple Little Tricks to Doubling Your Email Open Rates, Skyrocketing Your Click-Through Rates like a Pro, and How to Dramatically Increase Your ROI. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. Inbox Delivery Secrets Exposed. Great inbox delivery is not only a matter of sending your emails to see who gets them and who does not. Successful email delivery rates depend on a lot of factors that can sometimes escape your knowledge, and that is why we are going to teach you the secrets for achieving great inbox delivery rates. 1. Including physical mailing address in emails. Delivery rates depend a lot on qualifying your emails as safe by email spam filters. Including your physical address is a great way to qualify as trustworthy to your audience and their email service providers. 2. Avoiding purchased email lists. Unless you buy a list of qualified leads who know in advance that they will be getting emails from you, do not use paid email lists. This is because emails coming from unknown sources are deemed as suspicious by people, thus sending them to the spam folder. 3. Requesting that subscribers add your email address into their safe list. Don't be shy. Ask your subscribers to add your email list to their safe list, because newsletters tend to be tagged as spam as time goes by. 4. Keeping subscribers engaged. Keeping subscribers engaged is the number one secret to keep them opening your emails, which is a successful delivery guarantee for you. 5. Including easily accessible unsubscribe buttons. A simple but clearly visible unsubscribe button is a great way to build up trust, keep you out of the spam folder and inside the inbox. 6. Respecting unsubscribe requests. Don't ever ignore a request from subscribers to unsubscribe. This will not only land you on many email blacklists, but it can get you into legal trouble as well. 7. Using recognizable from names. Use a concise from name in your emails that you can use for all your emails. Using different from names on the same email newsletters can affect your delivery rates. 8. Using double opt-in. Make sure to send a confirmation email to each new subscriber. This will give you an additional layer of protection against spam filters and will also tell you how committed subscribers are to continue opening your emails. 9. Leveraging time of delivery. You want to send your emails at the right time. Use scheduling options in your email marketing platform to send emails according to people's time zones. 10. Optimize for mobile. Make sure that your emails are not only responsive, but also mobile friendly. Many people have gotten used to only opening their emails from their mobile devices, so adapt accordingly. 11. Using persuasive subject lines. Successful delivery rates depend on open rates to a great degree. Open rates depend a lot on persuading people into opening emails, and few things work as well as an endearing subject line. 12. Avoid buzzwords. Buzzwords such as, but not limited to, innovative or crushing are used by spammers on a regular basis, so it is recommended to tone it down and avoid using them unless the context calls for it. 13. Adding personal touches. Small details such as addressing subscribers by their name will help with your delivery rates, because personalized emails are more trustworthy. 14. Offering incentives to recipients. Offering incentives to your recipients is a great way to foster engagement, increase open rates, and ensure good inbox delivery. 15. Creating a sense of urgency for the recipient. A sense of urgency can also increase engagement when done correctly, and increased engagement means increased open and delivery rates. 16. Removing negative connotations. Positive connotations are better perceived by recipients than negative ones, so avoid using negative or strong-sounding phrases or words in your subject lines. Only use negative connotation in the content when the context of your email calls for it. 17. Emailing relevant content. Relevant content is content that is useful to your target audience. If you're sending emails with content that your audience doesn't engage with, you'll have a hard time improving your delivery rates. 18. Sending appropriately timed emails. Do you send emails too often? If so, then rest assured that they are being sent to the spam folder. Make sure to email your subscribers on a not-so-regular basis to avoid being blacklisted. 19. Segmenting your email lists. Segment your email lists in accordance to what you are emailing to each one of your recipients. This will make sure that your emails get delivered all the time. You can segment your lists by lifecycle, interests, and other factors. And 20. Avoiding keywords which trigger email as spam. Certain emails are seen by email service providers as overtly spammy. Phrases such as make money and words such as lease are suspicious to most email service providers, so proceed with caution.